Make your own magnet. There are several methods of making magnets. Let us learn the simplest one. Take a rectangular piece of iron. Place it on the table. Now make a bar magnet and place one of its pole near one edge of the bar of iron. Without lifting the bar magnet, move it along the length of the iron bar till you reach the other end. Now lift the magnet and bring the pole to the same point of the iron bar from which you began. Figure 13.11. Move the magnet again along with the iron bar in the same direction as you did before. Repeat this process about 30 to 40 times. Bring a pin or some iron flings near the iron bar to check whether it has become a magnet. If not, continue the process for some more time. Remember that the pole of the magnet and the direction of its movement should not change. You can also use an iron nail, a needle, or a blade and convert them into a magnet. You now know how to make a magnet. Would you like to make your own compass? Activity 6. Magnetize an iron needle using a bar magnet. Now insert the magnetized needle through a small piece of cork or foam. Let the cork float in water in the bowl or a tub. Make sure that the needle does not touch the water. Your compass is now ready to work. Make a note of the direction in which the needle points when the cork is floating. Rotate the cork with the needle fixed in it in different directions. Note the direction in which the needle points when the cork begins to float again without rotating. Does the needle always point in the same direction when the cork stops rotating? Attraction and repulsion between magnets. Let us play another interesting game with magnets. Take two small toy cars and label them A and B. Place a bar magnet on top of each car along its length and fix them with a rubber band. Figure 13.13. In a car A, keep the south pole of the magnet towards its front. Place the magnet in opposite direction in car B. Now place the two cars close to another. What do you observe? Do the cars remain at their place? Do the cars run away from each other? Do they move towards each other and collide? Record your observation in table as shown in table 13.3. Now place the toy cars close to each other such that the rear side of car A faces the front side of car B. Figure 13.14. Do they move as before? Note the direction in which the car moves now. Next, place the car A behind car B and note the direction in which they move in each case. Repeat the activity by placing cars with their rear sides facing each other. Record your observations in each case. What do you find from this activity? Do two similar poles attract or repel each other? What about opposite poles? Do they attract or repel each other? This property of the magnets can also be observed by suspending a magnet and bring one by one the poles of another magnet near it. A few cautions. Magnets lose their properties if they are heated, hammered, or dropped from some height. Also, magnets become weak if they are not stored properly. To keep them safe, bar magnets should be kept in pair with their unlike poles on the same side. They must be separated by a piece of wooden while two pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends. Figure 13.16. For horseshoe magnet, one should keep a piece of iron across the poles. Keep magnets away from cassettes, mobiles, television, music system, compact disc, CDs, and the computer.